What's up, y'all? It's your girl, or soon to be your girl, Relly K, and thank you so much for tapping into this silk press. We can say silk and then put a question mark after it and then say press because I do not straighten my hair out a lot. As you can see, I am natural. I'm definitely type 4. My hair type is 4B. In the middle, it gets a little 4C, you know. This is an old crusty wash and go, but we are about to take care of this right now. If this video caters to you, then you're in for a treat. Stay tuned. So I just finished washing my hair. If you guys want a video on that, I will definitely make one just showing you the products that I switch in between. This is what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. It looks pretty fluffy, pretty soft, pretty moisturized. Hey y'all, deep condition before you straighten your hair. I know you've heard it time and time again, but that will make or break your silk press, okay? I use the Gold Series Thermal Heat Protector on my hair, on damp hair, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer brush by Revlon. That brush is amazing. I highly suggest that you invest in it because it makes blow drying a breeze. The shrinkage on my head is disrespectful. I'm not going to go too much in it because when I think about it too much, it just makes me upset. However, I learned this blow drying method from Star Puppy that you see that I'm doing right now. It has made a world of difference. So what she does is she takes the chunk of her hair and she lays it on the brush and just lets it dry instead of just constantly ripping the brush through her hair. It's amazing. Star Puppy, thank you. I love you. So as you see, I'm blow drying my hair, and although the method is amazing, I just don't have the patience to do it over my whole head, and you'll see that. No judgment. The method definitely works. If you have all of the patience in the world, go for it. As for me and my house, we weren't about to do all that. Now, I ain't telling you to go out and buy the blow dryer, but do it. It's an awesome investment. And magic trick. Here we go. Let's go, really. It took me 525,600 minutes to do that. We deserve a snack break because I was in this bathroom way too long. Now, this part right here is just something that I was trying. First, let's get into the thin edges, okay? Here on Relly K's page, we're very transparent. My edges just fall out. No tension, no nothing. They just fall out, so nobody needs to come after me saying, oh, sis, yeah, give me solutions. I love y'all, thanks. But I used an edge stick and a hot comb to try to get these edges to lay. And when I tell you they did what they were supposed to do a little bit, they did what they were supposed to do a little bit. The side without it and the side with it. Now, was I going to do this throughout my whole head? Absolutely not. Now, for the flat iron, I'm just using the red ceramic flat iron. I got it from the beauty supply store. The temperature was at 400 throughout this whole process. Adjust the temperature to where you see fit. You know your hair better than I do. I barely knew my hair for this, okay? So, yeah. I just had to make sure that was all the hair I had left. Oh, my God. So this is me attempting to do the chase method for the first time. Fail. Complete fail. I didn't even get the comb to comb. Okay? You ladies who are masters at the chase method, I commend you so much. You guys are awesome. Throughout the video, I get a little better at the chase method, but it's hard. It's hard to try to coordinate my hand with the comb and the other hand with the flat iron. My brain could not compute it. So let me just give you all a little background on my natural hair journey. So I've been natural my whole life. My mom, she never put a perm on my hair. However, I did grow up with a lot of scalp problems. Like, I think at one point in time, I had a really bad fungus infection on my scalp, which was terrible. My hair was falling out. You could actually see my scalp through my hair. I remember one girl at church one time. I'll never forget this. She was like, oh, you have something in your hair. But it was really my scalp poking through. And then she was just like, oh. And I was just like, girl, back up. You don't know what I'm going through. Anyways, thank God for a mom who was so determined and just so going above and beyond for finding a treatment and just for finding a remedy for that problem, because that was like a really bad period of time for me. Fast forward to me taking care of my hair by myself. I feel like I've been through it all. I had 2 big chops, hair falling out because of stress, because of life circumstances, because of ashy boys. You name it, I've been through it. But also my hormones. I noticed that when my hormones are fluctuating, my eyebrow hair falls out and my edges. So going back to my edges, I kind of know why they thin out. However, I'm just trying to figure out how to prevent it from happening so often, because it seems like when they grow back, my hormones fluctuate, eyebrows out of there, edges out of there, So it's like trying to find that balance or imbalance, because I do know that for a while I was iron deficient. I had iron deficiency anemia, and that was okay because I was taking my iron pills often and I changed my diet, but then I stopped taking them and then it came back. So it's like now I'm trying to get back on them regularly. I don't take biotin for hair growth. It breaks me out terribly. I'm going to do a skin series on here as well because, baby, we have come a mighty long way with the Lord. Okay, for that, God is good. I gave myself a very well-needed trim. Honestly, it could be considered a little cut, but I gave myself a trim about 2 or 3 months ago. If you guys want to see how I do that, I might make a video on it. I don't do it in this video, mostly because I was tired by the end of this. I did, however, dust my ends off of camera. I'm in this phase right now where I'm trying to grow out my layers. I'm just not impressed with them anymore. I really want that one length, that look, I really want to go for that. I'm going to be quiet talking now, let you guys enjoy this process. I'm going to have one of my instrumentals playing in the background. I am a music producer, songwriter, and independent artist. So if you want to check that out as well, I will link it below. Yeah, just making sure I still had all that hair left. As you can see, your girl got a little better with the chase method. Let's go. So y'all, let me just say right here that I'm not really obsessed with being careful about the amount of passes I do on my hair, because I'm just, like I said, I'm just so natural. I don't straighten my hair enough to where it just reverts right back. Like, you see how my ends aren't really getting straight. Maybe it's because I'm not a professional and I really don't know how to straighten my hair right. But I'm not scared of that because I just know my hair is going to revert right back. I live in Texas, so as soon as I walk outside, I look like I have a blowout. That hair wax got a little crusty right there, so I'm probably not going to be doing that again. Yeah. Okay, really? So we did something a little right, okay? So the hair is shiny, it's giving body, it's giving bounce, right? The ends, definitely trimmed them, like I said, because they were just a little too puffy and off for me. However, I think that this was a success overall for me. If only YouTube didn't copyright music, man, we'd be jamming together. I would use my own music, but then they'd still copyright me because, yeah. Now, I'm about to tell y'all something that you're going to crucify me for. Please don't fry me in the comments, but this is just something that I have seen throughout the test of time of me doing my hair. It just don't work for me. I don't wrap my hair. I used to do it after getting some professional silk presses in the past, but my scalp sweats so much, and it's oily, and I take showers, right? And maybe I don't wrap up my hair well enough in the shower, but then again, my scalp sweats. So it just doesn't work out for me. My hair ends up being super puffy. It ends up being a blowout, like I said earlier, and it just doesn't work for me, y'all. Usually I just braid it up and I just rock it wavy. I am so grateful for the growth of my hair though, y'all. This has been like years in the making. This has been setback after setback in the making. Please be patient with your journey. Do what works for you. Be healthy. Drink your water. Y'all, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I want to give you more content like this. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that you will be notified every time I post. I love you so much. I'll see y'all later.